is our last Airbnb.
Thank you.
In Ashkelon. Beautiful apartment, ballin' style here. Beautiful table. Look at that kitchen. We got a dining room, living room.
No cookies here?
We got this. Let's see what we got upstairs. The boys' bedroom. Beautiful, looks like a prison cell, just like I like it. There you go, boy. Bathroom and a shower that's not 2 by 2. That's fantastic. And then right here, Mike and Hannah's room with our own walkout balcony, it looks like.
Really?
Yep. Let me out. Onto the balcony with a lookout here. Huh.
Sick. It's nice.
Airbnb, you did all right. Ashkelon, you came through. I like what you're doing here. I'm picking up what you're putting down. Not too shabby. Sderot. It is a town overlooking Gaza. It's had 11,000 rockets fired from Gaza, and wow, you can see so much. They're still very happy. The statues of a person playing a flute just down there. There's a person playing a harp. Here's a bomb shelter at the bus stop. So this is the reality these people have to live with every day. All of these houses have to have bomb shelters. The bus stations or the bus stops have bomb shelters. The Israeli government is helping to pay for the bomb shelters to ensure that everybody has one. Still seems like a really vibrant and happy place. So somewhere in this town there is a lookout from which you can get a good view of Gaza, and I think that that's the other side of the reality that needs to be seen and faced, and see if we can get an idea of what it might be like to have to live there. That was the Nir Am Reservoir, and we're just gonna follow this little road around, and it overlooks the Gaza Strip. Up here we're seeing this is a memorial monument for a helicopter pilot, an Israeli helicopter pilot who died when he was 20 years old, one time for a year of his life. This is just above the Nir Am Reservoir, and beautiful fields. I think we're just gonna, the sun's starting to go down. I don't know if you can see it on the screen or not. Yeah, there's a bunch of these beautiful red flowers on this walk from what I've heard. You want to go check out the monument? It's a lot more deserty in this part. We can tell we're definitely starting to make our way towards the desert, that's for sure. So this is the monument we've been talking about. And as you can see here, that's the inscription. And when the wind blows, the wind tells his story. Gaza Strip. My entire life I've heard about that place. And could imagine what it's like to live there. And I can't even begin to pretend like I understand the conflict or I have the answer, but it's peaceful right now, thank God. Grocery shop. Birds in your shopping experience? You've got a couple. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it's awesome.
These oranges are the size of my hand. Look at these. You could kill a person with this. Look at this. You can't even begin to palm it. I wish my guitar amps were as cool as this. This sucker turns up to 12. George Grossman, I know you hear me on that one. Look at how red hot that is when you get it to 12. I want my speaker to look like that and my amp to go to that volume. Life goals. We are back in our kitchen in Ashkelon, in our beautiful little apartment here. And we're making dinner. Seeing as how we're in Israel, we're gonna make a traditional Mexican meal.
That's the plan.
Arroz.
Have some classic Dominican wine. Is that Dominican?
Dominican?
I don't know. Oh. Or California.
Yeah. Dominion of origin. It's California.
Alright, there you go. TV. Hot. TV 1, hot 3, on 2-4.
Let's see here. We got the TV. This one of these. This is hot. Hot box and hot magic. So you have to know which one is the hot magic and the hot box. In my youth, I might have known what the hot box was, but the hot magic, never. That boy is entertained. Now it's more like it. Okay. The meal is starting to come together. I think it's gonna be alright. I hope, anyways. I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I think it's gonna be good though. Looks pretty tasty. Hannah's making a delicious guac. From scratch. We just went to the grocery store, as you saw, the one with the birds flying in it. We got everything we need. Tomorrow, we're gonna have pasta. We got everything we need for that. So 2 days of home-cooked meals on the road. Great tip to save money, and it's also delicious. And also we very much enjoy time together while we're cooking. Ended up with a pretty good little spread. It's dinner time now. It's also a great way to spend time together.
Cheers, darling.
Because you don't do enough of that when traveling in close quarters together for